Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to see how we can find the snips done by the snipping tool on Windows 11. It is a really useful tool that comes installed with Windows, but maybe you can't find the screenshots. First, open the snipping tool. I'm gonna do that by left-clicking in search over here and typing the snip, and the app appears under best match. I'm gonna left-click to open it. And right now, I'm gonna left click on a new over here to start a new snip. And I'm just gonna take a snip of this folder, let's say. And right now it's done. The easiest way to find the screenshots and the shortest is by left clicking on see more over here at the top right. And then left clicking on open screenshots folder. And right now you can see all the screenshots that you took, and the last one is selected. What I need to mention is that by default the screenshots folder is in pictures in your user account on Windows, but for example if you cut this folder and move it to another place, the default location where screenshots are saved changes automatically. For example, you can move the screenshots folder on the desktop. I'm gonna cut it and paste it on the desktop. And right now, if we use the snipping tool to take a screenshot, let's say of this corner, so we can identify it. And if we left click on open screenshots folder, it's gonna open the folder from the desktop. So just keep that in mind. If you're having difficulties finding it, maybe you moved it at some point. Okay guys, this is it in regards to where the snipping tool saves the screenshots. Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe for future tips.